Or this Asing, you are now watching Asing SL TV. Today I would like to share how to create a list of days in the year excluding the weekends. Firstly, type the first weekday of the year. For example, 2nd of January 2023. Press enter, select the date. Now at the home tab in the editing group, click on Fill function. Select series. If you want to create this series across the same row, select rows. Otherwise, select columns. Under the type, select date. Under the date unit, select weekday. For the stop value, type the last date of the year, which is 31st of December 2023. Click on OK and we should obtain a list of weekdays in the year 2023. This could also be done by using the Excel function, that is, by using the workday function. Use the last date of the previous year as the start date, that is 31st of December 2022. Make sure we type within quotation marks since this must be input as string, comma, the days. To generate a list of days, we can use sequence function, and there are 260 workdays in 2023. Or this could also be calculated by using the NETWORKDAY function. The start date of the year 2023, that is the first day, 1st of January 2023. Also type within the quotation marks, comma, the end date, that is the last day, 31st of December 2023, also within the quotation marks. Close bracket to end the NETWORKDAYS function, close bracket to end the sequence function, close bracket again to end the workday function. Press enter and we should obtain a list of unformatted days. If you wish to have a date formatted automatically when the list is generated, in front of the workday, type the text function, bracket, and now go to the end, type comma followed by the format that we want. Start with quotation mark. For example, date slash month slash and year. Close quotation mark and close bracket. Press enter again and we should obtain exactly the same days as the first method as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.